Hey everybody, welcome back. First of all, huge thanks to everybody. We passed the 1,000 subscriber point, and just wanted to do kind of a follow-up video to my newest watch, the Casioak G-Shock. I'm so in love with this watch, and I kind of wanted to do a thought process of like a week on the wrist versus why this is now going to be my main G-Shock in my collection. So if you've been a follower for a while, you know that I first reviewed the first G-Shock I ever bought, which was like the G-Shock Rescue is what it's officially called, but it's the 7900-1. And then I had the very first generation of the John Mayer G-Shock, which was the reference 6900. I still have the Rescue, but the John Mayer, somebody offered me an insane amount of money for it for what it was actually worth. So that isn't in the collection anymore. But compared to the Rescue and the G-Shock, this new Casioak, not the new one, but new to me, is the only G-Shock I'm going to wear from this point on. It is such a perfect watch. Especially after wearing it for a period of time, that I have no reason to ever pull out the other G-Shock in my collection. First off, it is lighter. The strap, in my opinion, is more comfortable. I'm sure if you look it up, it's probably the exact same, and my brain is playing tricks on me, but who knows. But it is also substantially thinner. The John Mayer was about 16.5 millimeters thick, and I think the Rescue is right around there also. And the Casioak is under 12 millimeters thick, and it's so thin that for a 45 plus millimeter case size, it wears so comfortably, so small, so nice that half the time I don't even realize it's on, also because of how light it is. It is such a comfortable watch to wear that I can't see any other G-Shock coming close to the level of comfort and ease and cool looks that this watch has. I'm also super excited to get the mod kit I purchased. You guys will see that at a later date and time. But it's just kind of keeping me in love with this watch, keeping it super fresh. I think that the hype is definitely worth it on this watch. After wearing it all week, I've fallen more and more in love with it than I ever thought I was going to. I don't really love the shape of the kind of the John Mayer Rescue, other G-Shocks of that, you know, kind of bubbly look with the buttons that are kind of big and forward looking. I think this is a very subtle, very kind of understated watch, and I think it's really cool in that light. And I think that if you're looking for a G-Shock, and the price point is great, it's under $100. You could get the new one that's Bluetooth, hooks up to your phone, all that for like $50 more, I think, maybe $100 more. Still totally worth it. But you'll be in love with this watch. I think it is incredibly classy, incredibly comfortable. The opportunities are endless. And I just wanted to jump on here and tell you guys how much I absolutely love it still. After a week, it's so incredible, and I'm obviously stretching this out because I have no other content to make right now, and I hit 1,000 subs, and that's all that's really on my mind. But this is such a great watch, and I really recommend all of you getting it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of just short update on it, and I'll see everybody next time, hopefully with the mod for this watch.